Hello everyone. Let's solve this Singapore math word problem. So let's read the first statement. It says Keith and Tom have 975 stickers. So what do you understand from this first statement? We just come to know that Keith and Tom together have 975 stickers, but we do not know who has more and who has less. Let's read the next statement. It says Tom has 55 fewer stickers than Keith. So let's try to draw a bar model for this. See in the bar models that the bar model of Tom is smaller, shorter than the bar model of Keith. So it is how much shorter? So we have been told that it is Tom is having 55 fewer. So that means this part of the model is 55. So the difference between the two is 55. And we also know that the total is 975 stickers. Now, just imagine that if we take away this 55, the extra part which Keith is having, so we would be left with these two bars. This one and this one. And these are of equal sizes. What would be the sum of these two bars? Let's take away 55 from 975. So we will be left with 925. 920. So the sum of these two equal bars is 920. So the one red bar would be equal to 920 divided by 2, which is equal to 460. So this part is 460. This part is also 460. Now, if we come back to the original condition, so Keith was having 460 plus 55, which is equal to 150. And Tom is having 460. So the answer is that Tom is having 460 stickers.